How to add product categories to your WordPress. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do that. It is very easy and simple to do, yet it's super powerful. So let's just go in and get to it. First, if we just go to WooCommerce here, you should obviously have it installed. And if we just go to actually products, click on all products. As you can see, I have this test dummy product, but for the category, it's uncategorized. So in order to create one, all we need to do is just go to the products section within our WordPress. And you should be able to find categories here. So just going to click on that. And then simply just want to create a new one by adding first a name to it. Obviously for you, you're just going to be more organized with the names because they're going to really categorize the products that you have. So make sure you add a proper name to it. And then you can also feel free to add a slug to it. So it's going to have a specific URL that people can just visit. By the way, usually it's going to be exactly the same name, just, it's going to be URL friendly. So without spaces. So now that we have this, we can just go ahead and select a parent category if you want to, but I'm just going to leave it as none. But if you want to add one, you can just select it and you're going to have a list of all the categories that you have, which if this is going to be your first one, you're not going to have any others except for the uncategorized. So I'm just going to leave it as none. Next up, you have a description, which is going to really just let people know exactly what this is about, but it states here that it's not going to be shown by default, but some themes may actually show it. So just in case, you may want to stay professional even with the description here. Don't, do random text just to identify it yourself only. Make sure other people are going to be able to also understand what it means. Next up, we have the display type. So what does this category really display? Either products, subcategories, or both. So I'm just going to leave it as default, which I believe is going to be both anyway, except unless you want to just make it subcategories. So it's not really going to be a category within itself that has products. It's only just going to have subcategories within it. So hopefully this is clear to you. Next up, we are just going to add a thumbnail to it so people can also identify it easily with a thumbnail. So you just click on upload/add image. I just use this one for test purposes. And what I'm going to do is just click on add new category here at the bottom. And that's it. We have a new category in our store. So if we just go to all products now and add a new product or just edit an existing one, we can simply find it within the categories section. So I'm just going to use it with this one. If we scroll down and go to the categories section, we should be able to find this one right here. I'm just going to untick the previous one and leave it with this one. Make sure you save and you're good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.